Well, YouTube, I got a surprise for you. We still have the sunset lamp shining right there. But look at this. It's washing light everywhere, but there are dots. What could that mean? It means something. It means something. Let's give it a spin. Look at that. It's not a tight beam though, but look at that. You know where the light is coming from? The headlamp. And there's dots on the floor now. So now I have a pin spot. It's kind of a pin spot, but it's now a battery powered pin spot. Even though it's still washing the light, it still works as an actual disco ball light. So there we go. And I have it sitting on my cyan cart. I'm also going to change the color. There we go. So we can do that. Just like the pin spotlight right there. Wow, look at that. Just look at that, YouTube. Wow. And there's blue dots over here. Yes, I know it's color washing. But there it is. We'll go ahead and... yeah, there we go. That's better. Wow. Perfect. I know it's washing everywhere and it's creating a big beam, but it's still working as a pin spot. It's still giving the effect that we want. So there we go. Look at that, YouTube. Look at all those dots. Even on the new Crosley, look at all that. The new Crosley record player is getting disco ball sparkles on it. Well, you can't really see them, but you could possibly see them on the record label and possibly on the surface of the record. I still have one of my records on. In fact, I want to show you what this Disney Greatest Hits record sounds like on the new Crosley. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn that on right there. I'm going to go ahead and set the needle and then I'll start the record. There we go. I'll go ahead and start it. And there we go. Sounds just like the vocoder, but a little bit more resonant than the vocoder. Let me go ahead and try it again. I'm going to try and get it almost to the beginning where you can hear it kind of play in. So there we go. I'll set it down. I'll go ahead and start it. And this is just like what Radio TV Phono Nut does. And there we go. I'll turn it off. There we go. Oh, definitely don't want to do that to my records. So there we go. Man, these dots are so cool. You can definitely see the dots over here next to the lyre, the shoe rack, and the accordion, the violin. Let me go ahead and spin it again. So there we go, YouTube. I may not have a working pin spot, but I have a battery-powered pin spot. Even though it's not really an actual pin beam, it still works. So we will be able to get the dots back again. And there's the Crosley record player. There's the desk. There's the harmonicas down there. The Jews harps are down there. And there's the Crosley record player. Oh, I think it's getting some dots on there. Maybe on the front of the record player there's some dots. Yeah, right there you can see the dots a little bit. Wow. Look at all those dots. Anyways, there we go. We now have our pin spot. We now have our disco ball set up back. Even though we won't be able to run it continuously because it's battery powered and we have to charge it every now and then, there it is. So thanks for watching, and more to come later.